This is a position for standing that in many ways is the most secure position and yet allows for movement. Please come stand to the right of a chair with a back, a high back preferably, and put your left hand on the back of the chair, your right foot forward, and your left foot behind and at about a 45-degree angle to the left. And now sink your pelvis, lower your pelvis, bend at your hips so your knees are bent, and then slowly move yourself forward and back without tilting. So you maintain your uprightness, you maintain the orientation of your head so that your eyes can see the horizon, and you move your pelvis a little forward so that your right knee comes more over your toes, and then you move backwards so that your weight is distributed about 70% on your front foot and 30% on your back foot. When you go forward with your pelvis, not getting taller, not getting shorter, just moving forward, you can feel that maybe you're not 70-30, you're more 80-20, 80% over that front foot. If you do this particular movement for a few minutes every day, you will find yourself feeling much more secure and balanced. And take a short break by walking around and just observing your feeling of stability over your legs. And now come to stand to the left side of the chair. So to the left side of your chair, be your right hand on the back of the chair, and you change over your legs so that your back foot is about 45 degrees to the right. Your knees are soft. Even from there, you sink your pelvis a little more, and there's no need to stiffen the knees, and you just move from your pelvis without rounding, without getting taller or shorter. You move yourself a little forward so that you feel that your left knee comes more over your toes, 80% over the front foot. And then when we go back, then it's more like 70% over the front foot. And if you have knees that give you trouble, you make the movement smaller. You make the movement slower. Both knees are bent a little bit the entire time. When you go forward, your left knee may bend a little more, and let your abdomen relax, your shoulders. Please walk around and observe your feeling of yourself. This is something very simple and easy for you to do once, twice, 3 times a day. If you do this for 5 minutes, 7 minutes, once, twice, 3 times a day, it will make a remarkable change in your balance. All right. Thank you.